In the name of Allah, the most magnificent, the most merciful. Welcome to a healthy and mouth-watering recipe by Serenity Cuisine, with all my heartiest greetings to my subscribers, followers, and viewers. Only give me 5 minutes of your precious time in making this delicious prawns, coconut gravy, and watch the video till end. You can eat it with rice or chapati. We need coconut milk in this recipe. You can make at home or buy from market. Take as many prawns as you want to cook, should be cleaned and washed. Take prawns in a bowl and add Pakistani spices, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Mix well. Now drizzle some oil in pan and fry prawns 1 minute on both sides each. Give a thumbs up if you like this recipe. It will help me reaching more viewers. Add some garlic to make it aromatic. Set aside after frying, and let's make coconut gravy. Add 1 large chopped onion in the pan and fry until translucent. Talking about the major benefits of prawns, most importantly, high levels of vitamin B6, B12, and niacin all work together to help increase energy, put on lean muscle, and replenish red blood cells. Also helps in weight loss. Then add chopped garlic. Fry until golden brown and aromatic. Now add to chopped tomatoes or tomato puree. Add water and cook well so that the flavors of onion, garlic, tomatoes, and spices melt together in masala. Add Pakistani spices, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Adding my favorite cayenne pepper, just to enhance the taste. As mentioned before, now I am adding water to cook tomatoes fully. You can keep masala as it is or blend it in blender for fine texture. You can skip adding water. Now I am adding 1 cup of homemade coconut milk. It's very easy to make coconut milk at home. Just cut fresh coconut meat and blend with water in a blender and strain. Coconut milk has a lot of benefits. It's said to kill the bad cells in the body. You can use it in cakes instead of cow milk if you have lactose allergy. You can also use it in shakes and smoothies or pastas. Now add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Now add fried prawns and cook for a maximum of 5 minutes. If you reach this section of video, accept special thanks. Subscribe if you are watching me on YouTube and press the bell icon for receiving my videos in future. Also follow if you watching me on Instagram or TikTok. Now add garam masala powder and dry coriander. You can also garnish with coriander leaves and green chilies. You can also add corn flour slurry to thicken the gravy. It's optional. That's all for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I like it more with white cashew rice. See you soon again with another easy yet amazing recipe. Take care of yourself.